Hi everyone, welcome back to the Logging In channel. Today for this video of logging in, I will be showing you how to unhide songs on Spotify. So for that, open the Spotify application and then get logged in into the account. Once you have been logged in into the account, you need to tap on the library icon from the menu below. Tap that library. And here on the library, you tap upon the playlist where you want to unhide these songs. You tap upon that playlist song. Once you're at that album or the playlist, you need to tap on preview in the between. Tap that preview option. Once you tap upon that preview option, you will find all these songs that is in that album. So here on the song list, you will find a icon with a minus inside the circle. Here you can see in the first, the option is as normal as it is, and in the second one you can see the minus within the circle is in red color. That means this song is hidden. If you want to unhide this, you just tap that. This will unhide the song from your album right away. So all the red icons are the hidden songs, and to unhide it, you just need to tap that icon. It will unhide the song from the albums or playlist right away. So this is how you can unhide songs on Spotify. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging In channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.